Around the world, consumer pressure are forcing more companies to adopt stricter sustainability and zero deforestation policies in its palm oil supply chain. Sabah Forestry Chief Conservator Frederick Kugan explains how the department is supporting this agenda.
One of the main thrusts of the jurisdictional approach is, of course, to ensure that it is conflict-free and it is also abide by the environmental standards and procedures. And then, of course, here in the jurisdictional certification itself, we are coupling it with the certification, with the conservation efforts that has been carried out by the state, or even has been targeted. For example, in Sabah, we have set aside. We have set objectives in order to get 30% of the state under totally protected areas by 2025 as well. And as of to date, we have managed to gazetted or set aside, I think, 1.9 million hectares. So that's about 19%. 19%. Sorry, that's about 19% of the state landmass as totally protected areas, and we tend to achieve about 30%, which is about 2.2 million hectares in by 2025. And I think this is one way to couple it with conservation efforts, and by doing so, that means we are addressing in terms of land use that everything is in a balance. And when we say why conflict-free, of course, there are new areas. For example, I think we must ensure that there is no issue of land tenure, for example. One example, there's no issue of land encroachment, for example. So these are matters that need to be addressed at the state level.